How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can group shapes or objects in MS Word. So it's going to be extremely simple, but first things first, before we proceed, I have this group of objects right here that we are simply going to group together. So to do that, what you want to do is to just press shift on your keyboard, and then you want to manually click the objects or the shape that you want to group together. So in my case, it's going to be this one. And then finally, you could just simply right click on it. And now this option will be available. Now, if you click on the group option, everything that we have selected will be transformed into one singular object right here. So if I actually click on the shape that we have made, we can now move this freely the way we want to instead of adjusting it all the way together. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.